As a recent government report raises concerns about the declining state of education in the country, some 2,000 schools in the capital are facing a shutdown. They are not recognized by the government, which means lakhs of students will be left in the lurch without any viable options other than neighborhood schools.
In a by-lane in Dakshinpuri, in South Delhi, almost 500 students of Nanki Public School face an uncertain future. It is an unrecognized school and faces imminent closure when Right to Education Act provisions come into force from March 31st. The Act threatens to slap a heavy fine on all primary schools which fail to get government recognition by March, which would mean shutting down the schools in most cases.
ये बहुत बड़ा गलत है उसमें, क्योंकि आरटी में बिना मान्यता के अगर स्कूल चलते हैं तो ऑल ओवर इंडिया में कई लाख स्कूल ऐसे चलते हैं जो ग्रामीण इलाके में, देहात में हैं, वो सारे बंद हो जाएंगे, हिंदुस्तान की शिक्षा व्यवस्था प्रभावित होगी.
Most schools found their application for recognition turned down by the municipal authorities as they did not meet the space requirements according to the city's master plan. The schools argue that they operate from slums or tin clusters where space is hard to come by.
जगह दिल्ली में है नहीं और जगह ही मेन समस्या है. हमारी डिमांड यही है कि जो जगह की रिक्वायरमेंट है वो कम की जाए थोड़ी सी. अभी 800 स्क्वायर यार्ड्स है तो 300 स्क्वायर यार्ड्स कर दे, वो अपना एक ज़रूरी है, लेकिन बच्चे जो पढ़ रहे हैं वो कहाँ जाएंगे.
Space, however, is not the only criteria and many applications are rejected also if schools do not have trained teachers, fire safety, building fitness and health certificates. There are around 2,235 unrecognized primary schools across the city with over 5 lakh students on their rolls. For many parents, these neighborhood schools are the only option.
Actually, यहाँ पर फीस काफ़ी कम है और पढ़ाई अच्छी है यहाँ पर.
अकॉर्डिंग उसके एज इस समय यही था कि घर के पास भी है, नियर बाय हम यहीं पे उसे ड्रॉप कर सकते हैं, पिकअप कर सकते हैं, तो बेटर ऑप्शन स्कूल नानकी पब्लिक स्कूल था हमारे लिए.
The State Education Department is now taking up the issue with MCD, but so far no consensus has been reached even as time runs out.
हमारे लिए तो प्रॉब्लम ये बन गई है ना कि हम मास्टर प्लान का उल्लंघन कैसे करें. अभी तो ये डेट एक्सटेंड की जाए, उसके बाद कोई आप मापदंड बनाइए क्या है क्या नहीं है.
While there may be a question mark over the quality of education at these schools, shutting them down would mean that many such children would not even have access to primary education. With camera person Stephen Anthony, this is Neha Masi for NDTV.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.